Hi, I'm Marcia LaFemina, the president of Pennsylvania Globe, otherwise known as Penn Globe in North Branford, Connecticut. We are an outdoor lighting manufacturer, small company, woman-owned, family-owned, been in business here in Connecticut for a good number of years. The oldest outdoor lighting company in the country, going back to 1877. We manufacture primarily outdoor lighting for the commercial, municipal, and institutional spaces, colleges and universities around the country. In 2019, we launched an initiative or a program here at Penn Globe called Lighting for the Greater Good. We believe that lighting in itself is for the greater good, but what we tried to do is start an initiative whereby our customers, upon placing an order with us, we in turn, at the completion of the project, send a significant donation to a food pantry in their local municipal area. Now we're on the shop floor. This is where everything is made, stored, inventoried. It's all right here in North Branford. Things like you see here are custom extrusions. We don't buy a lot of stock materials. This is made just for us. We have a series of dies that are run for us in mills around the country. We try to do everything we can within the United States, and if we can at all, to purchase locally here in Connecticut. Everything we make at Pennsylvania Globe, we actually make here in our building. The company's been around so long. We have 100+ years worth of molds and patterns that we are still using today to make the original gaslight look that was made in this country. You'll see that everything here is a trove of sand castings, which is a small representation of what we actually sell from year to year. What we find is that one university wants something different than another university, one town wants something different, and we believe that that is our strategy for growth, is to continue to be a custom manufacturer at a competitive price. In order to stay competitive and forward-thinking, we began a process several years ago of introducing data collection, Wi-Fi, cameras, and other security features discreetly into our outdoor lighting products. Our thought process was that this is existing real estate that most colleges, towns, and universities already have, and we're looking for a way to leverage that opportunity for them. Big part of our business has grown into doing renovation and restoration work, particularly in the historical markets. Right now, we're working on any number of projects. We just finished doing the Harvard Business School, where they sent back in excess of 300 light fixtures. We refurbished them and retrofitted them with energy efficient LEDs and returned them back at a very affordable price, a much better alternative to buying all new fixtures. Right now, what you're looking at is a project that we're working on for New Jersey Transit for one of their stations. Literally, this is a project involving cutting off an existing crook for a fixture we did not even make, and it will ultimately be retrofitted with a new LED package and new globes and refinished and sent back, saving the Transit Authority a tremendous amount of money, time, and coordination. Really excited about this one. So this is the newest introduction to our capabilities here at Penn Globe. We purchased spinning equipment, machinery, and some talent, and now have the ability to make metal spinnings, which we use on just about every light fixture that we make. What you see behind me are the molds, which are called chucks, that are permanent designs for us to be able to use for any number of fixtures. Spinnings start life as a circle, and then will ultimately wind up being spun on the equipment that hopefully you'll see soon, which will wind up resulting in this finished product here. So what we have here is the final assembly area. Really proud of this area, is where we were able to introduce the first woman on our shop floor. So we are now men and women out here. What you see behind me is an order that I think reflects who we are and how close we are to our customers. This particular order is for one of our customers on the Outer Banks residential community that suffered severe damage after a recent hurricane in the month of August. It's an example of how we try to be responsive, and we hope that our customers know we will be. Our normal lead times might be 6 to 8 weeks, but we're making sure that they get their replacement fixtures in 3 weeks, so they're not in a state of emergency for any longer than they have to be. We like to take pride here at Penn Globe in the fact that we care about people, mostly inside this company because that's what matters most, but we also care about the people outside, our customers, and the communities that they live in. We're trying to be impactful with our lighting for the greater good, but that really came out of just a long heritage of the kind of company that we've turned into in the last 10 years. Our specific focus has been on workforce. We're committed to it, helping people to understand why manufacturing is a good idea, help them have the opportunities to come into this space. And this is where I can say ManufactureCT is helpful. I am pleased to be part of the workforce committee and be on top with their guidance of different opportunities that are available. And I really do look forward to what we're going to be able to achieve in the future.